Hey guys, welcome back. This is Simon Says DIY, and I'm Simon, and I say it's time to fix up an old rubber mallet. Alright, so here's the hammer that I'm going to be putting back together. It's pretty well banged up, so I'm going to try to see what I can do to clean this a little bit and smooth out some of these edges, as well as make a handle because this one's missing, so I obviously need to make one of those. Thought it'd be a fun project to fix and put back together. I'm going to get that all finished so that I can use it in my shop. My belt sander works really well with shaping this rubber mallet. I'm gonna stop real quick, grab a mask, because you wanna be careful with the fumes coming off of this. They could be harmful to you. So I'm gonna be safe, wear a mask, and keep working. So on one side, I'm gonna flatten like the regular mallet head, and on the back side, I'm gonna round that off so I have a nice round surface to hammer on. Now that the hammer's ready to go, I need to make a handle for it. So I'll trim down this white oak and put this on my lathe and turn it into a handle. I'll be using the lathe that I built a few months back. You can check out that video in the top right corner and see how I built that. If you're interested in seeing how to make some of the chisels for carving or wood turning, you can also check out those links in the top right corner. I'll have some there as well. After finishing carving the shape that I want for the handle, I'm going to take some sandpaper and smooth out this wood so that there aren't any leftover splinters or rough spots on the wood. After carving the handle on the lathe, the end of it that needs to go into the hammer is a circle, and I need it to be more of an oval, so I'll take it over to my sander and shape that down to be the right shape to fit into the hammerhead. Both pieces of the hammer are now finished. I need to attach the handle to the hammer, so I'll hammer this down in as far as it will go, and then I'll hammer in the nail that I originally pulled out of the hammerhead into the handle, and that will hold it in place. Now all I need to do is trim off the end of the handle, cut off that excess that doesn't need to be there, and then I need to sand down the handle and then add the finish. Now for the finish, I'm going to apply a layer of boiled linseed oil to the handle as well as the rubber mallet, and this really just soaks into the wood and prevents anything else from getting into the wood. It doesn't really dry, it just soaks in and stays with the wood for a long time. And the nice part about this is if it ever wears off or gets thin, the finish, you can easily just reapply that oil and it'll soak back into the wood.
Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want a notification when I upload a video, click on that bell icon, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.